Asanteni sana. Tuko na nani?
Kimi.
Kimi, wewe ni fan wa timu gani?
Manchester United.
Oi. Manchester 0 Everton 1. Maoni?
We played well but we never won. That's all I can say. We played well but we never won.
Against 10 man.
Yeah.
Do you think kulikuwa na kitu yenye it could have been done? But a goal,
No.
a point?
No, we did our best. That game we did our best. Shots from all our strikers and up from there, Bruno, Mbeumo, Ahmad, Zaxi, two great headers, but Pickford said no.
That's what he's paid to do.
Yeah.
Aya.
It wasn't our lucky day. It wasn't our lucky day at all.
Kuna Palace hii weekend, alafu Palace wametoka kucheza Conference League. I think they are tired. Sasa mtawapiga 10 na ngapi?
Hiyo game Palace wamekuwa wakitukalia for the last like 2 seasons hivi, so probably a draw ama 2-1 Manchester United.
So you are sure you are going to win?
Not really sure, but I know my coach somehow anakuanga na fumble, so anafaa rudishe Ahmad mali anacheza, Cunha to his right place and Bruno free roam.
Cunha missed last Monday's game because of injury. Is he available? Not sure.
I'm not really sure.
Well, another big game this Sunday itakuwa between Chelsea versus Arsenal. Any views?
I really want Arsenal to win. Like those guys have been playing. I watched the Bayern game versus them. They really played well. I'm a Manchester United fan, but I'm a football fan. I just want them to win.
Most Manchester United fans hawataki Arsenal washinde. Mpaka wanasema, "We, kama ni hiyo season,
we have nothing to lose." So, kuna wenye wanaongelea according to hate, like those people are playing. Mbona wa lose? Let them win. Let them take it.
Alafu pia kuna Man City wanacheza na Leeds. Maoni?
I know they don't want to do their vengeance to those teams. They've lost their 2 games. So any chance they get Haaland might score brace or hat-trick. No, they are going to do their best.
Then kuna timu inapoteza back to back, Liverpool against West Ham.
Just hope they will win. I'm really sorry for those guys. They are our biggest rivals, but I felt nice.
You are a Manchester United fan.
Yeah, they are our biggest rivals, but let them just win. Those guys have been losing it. Like they've lost in like 12 games. They've just won 9 games. But if they lose, it's okay with me. I don't care.
Thank you. But niko na swali ya mwisho. Wewe umeenda YouTube ukasearch Kasembele ukasubscribe?
Not yet, but after now.
Asante.